Understand the basics of Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform within the Facebook app where users can buy and sell items locally. It's a great way to reach a large audience and make some extra cash. Create a Facebook account. In order to access Facebook Marketplace, you will need to have a Facebook account. If you don't already have one, you can easily create one for free. Set up a profile. Make sure your Facebook profile is complete with a profile picture, cover photo, and other relevant information. This will help build trust with potential buyers. Access Facebook Marketplace. You can access Facebook Marketplace through the Facebook app on your mobile device or through the desktop website. Start listing items for sale. To list an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace, click on the Sell Something button and fill out the necessary information, including photos, description, price, and location. Be honest and transparent. When creating listings, make sure to accurately describe the item and include photos from multiple angles. This will help build trust with potential buyers. Respond promptly to messages. If someone is interested in your item, make sure to respond to their message in a timely manner. This will help to facilitate a smooth transaction. Meet in a safe location. When meeting up with buyers, make sure to choose a safe location, such as a public place, with lots of people around. Negotiate with buyers. Be prepared to negotiate with buyers on the price of your items. Be open to offers, but also know your bottom line. Decide on payment methods. Discuss with the buyer on how they would like to pay for the item. Cash is a common payment method for in-person transactions. Keep records of transactions. Keep track of your transactions, including the item sold, price, and buyer's information. This will help you stay organized and keep track of your sales. Be prepared for scams. Unfortunately, there are scammers on Facebook Marketplace. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true, and always trust your instincts. Follow Facebook Marketplace guidelines. Make sure to follow the guidelines set by Facebook Marketplace to avoid any issues with your account. Use Facebook Marketplace safely. Always prioritize your safety when buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. Trust your intuition and don't hesitate to report any suspicious activity. Get feedback and reviews. Encourage buyers to leave feedback and reviews on your profile. This will help build trust with potential buyers in the future. Have fun and enjoy the experience. Selling on Facebook Marketplace can be a fun and rewarding experience. Enjoy the process and make some extra cash along the way.